स्पोर्ट्स तक को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। आप हमें फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम और ट्विटर पर भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। और हाँ, हाउसएट ऐप को भी डाउनलोड करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि वहाँ लेजेंड्स को हराकर आप जीत सकते हैं 2 गुना कैश।
With me today is the hero of the GABA test, Washington Sundar. Washington, welcome to Ashtar.
Thank you.
Washington, how does it feel when people introduce you as the hero of GABA test?
Definitely, that game was very, very important in my life and a big turning point as well. And a lot of my dreams came true in that particular test as well. So, feel very, very proud to be honest.
Today you are here at the Puma store. There's something very special happening today with the simulator, wherein you can virtually play all the Grand Prix sitting at your home. Tell us about that.
Definitely, F1 simulator is something everybody would want to try. And I've also, wanted to try for a very long time, and here it is. And I did try my hand as well. It was a lot of fun, to be honest. And Puma in particular has always come up with these, cool, very, these upbeat collections as well. So it's always exciting to wear Puma, and a lot of my seniors like Virat Kohli, KL Rahul, I have seen them wearing a lot of these cool outfits and athleisure wear as well. So I'm honestly very happy to be with Puma, and the fact that I'm on this occasion. I'm on this occasion present over here on the opening of the biggest store in Delhi, as in India, is something that I'm very, very proud of.
We spoke about Virat. You've joined the likes of Virat, KL Rahul, and one sitting next to you, MC Mary Kom, as part of the Puma family. You know, when you join legends like that, how does it feel?
Definitely, she looks extremely fit, and I don't know how she manages to do that after all that she's been through. And I've watched her film as well. She's a complete inspiration. So yeah. Puma is actually known for these very unbelievable athletes. Right from Yuvraj Singh, Usain Bolt, and of course Mary Kom. And right now we've got our own Virat Kohli as well. So Puma is something which is very close to my heart, and I definitely only expect bigger and better things from Puma in the coming years as well.
Washington, how's the injury coming up? What's the status on your injury?
It's getting better. Hopefully, I'll be back very soon.
How soon? When you say soon enough, have you decided a timeline for your comeback?
I think God has to set the timeline, and I'm sure He's always been very kind to me, and He sure will.
You said God has been very kind to you, but were you disappointed when you, failed to make up to the World Cup because of your injury? Was it disappointing for you?
Extremely, but that's probably part and parcel of a cricketer's or any athlete's life. So I have to take that in my stride and move ahead.
How did you, manage to come forget that thing? Okay, I'm not a part of the World Cup. Was it running on your mind regularly?
It definitely does. It actually does a lot, because World Cup is something that I really, really wanted to be a part of. And yes, as I said, I have to take that in my stride and keep working even harder, and try and achieve bigger things in life as well.
The person who's replaced you in the World Cup squad is Ashwin, another legend of spinner. Your take on that? He's come back into the team after 4 years.
Definitely, he's the legend in the game, and he's done a lot of great things for Indian team as well. I'm sure he'll play a big part for us to win the World Cup this year as well.
Washington, we were talking about Virat. You are part of the RCB family, and with his sudden decision to give up on captaincy, did it come as a surprise or shock to you?
It definitely does, but I'm sure he would want to end the captaincy note on a very, very high note, which is by winning the World Cup. So I'm sure India has a very, very good chance to win this World Cup.
स्पोर्ट्स तक को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। आप हमें फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम और ट्विटर पर भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। और हाँ, हाउसएट ऐप को भी डाउनलोड करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि वहाँ लेजेंड्स को हराकर आप जीत सकते हैं 2 गुना कैश।